Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. What I'm going to share with you today is how to block calls from your Spectrum account. I got a scam call this morning, so that's the one I'm going to show you. First thing, I'm going to find out if it actually is a scam caller. So you go to reverse lookup in the white pages, which is this one right here. Press that and then go here and punch your number in, and as you can see, it is a scam. It's a high-risk scam, so I do not want this calling me back. It's a landline and banning. We don't want this number calling back. So what would you do? Get to your account and go to my phone, and then you would go to peace and quiet. And if you have more than one phone number, just make sure that number is clicked here. Then you want to go to block unwanted caller. And here you want to make sure this is on, and type in, let's get rid of these. Type in the number here, and then add to block unwanted callers. And there's the number right here, and this is the message that they'll get.
The party you are calling is not accepting calls at this time.
Which is perfect. So I hope that helped you today. There's other things that you could do on here, but you'll just have to read it and figure it out, because I haven't really gotten to that point yet. But I do use this a lot. So I hope this helped you, and leave a comment and a like on this video, so I'll do more of these types of videos too. And thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.